Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Lucerne. So it's our day 3 in Lucerne and it's a very pleasant morning. I just love being around here and it's a very special day. Today is Karwa Chauth and we're gonna celebrate Karwa Chauth here in Switzerland. So I'm gonna show you around how we celebrate Karwa Chauth, and also we're going to RHINEFALLs, which is a 2.5 hour ride from here. So I'm gonna take you along with that. Hello. So we are here at which station?
New Hossen RHINEFALls.
New Hossen RHINEFALls.
Yeah, that's a walking distance.
Yeah, look at the distance. This road, so steep. Whoa. Here we are. Wow, I can see the waterfall. Oh my god, so lovely.
Cold.
And cold, yeah. Whoa. ज़्यादा प्यारा यार.
टोपी से भी खराब होता है.
Let's go.
गीली हो जाएगी. Go to this way to the boat.
Okay, let's go. Beautiful view. There's our ticket, and we have to wait here on the stand. They have listed 1. I can see 3. I can see 4. I don't know where to.
तो ऑप्शन 1 हमने लिया है फैल्सन पार्ट. वो हमें वहाँ लेके जाएगी. जो वो फ्लैग दिख रहा है वहाँ पे डिपार्ट करेगी. हम वहाँ 20 मिनट रुकेंगे.
Okay.
Go to the top towards the flag. वो between the RHINEFALLs है.
Oh.
And then from there will take us back here.
Oh great. Hi fishes. They're not moving, na?
Oh. Oh wow.
Oh, one. I can see them moving now. Oh.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the light. classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
Rainbow! Rainbow! Wow! We are going to the top point.
Now we're going to the top point. Wait for it. Wait for it. Whoa. Oh my god. So many steps, but it was so worth it. This is our break point. We have a stop here for 20 minutes, then we'll go back to the boat. The view here is absolutely amazing. Breathtaking experience. It was so amazing. There's also this restaurant kind of place. You can eat something from here. Hey everyone, so we are back here at the New Houston station and we are heading back to our hotel. So I really hope you enjoyed the ride as much as I did. One pro tip is that there is a lift down there across the steep road. So if you're having trouble in walking or you're traveling with your parents, so you can use that lift. I didn't know that the lift was there, so I had to walk down. But you can remember that, and if you're ever coming here, you can use that lift. So thanks for watching the vlog, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. And again, you know the drill. If you like the vlog, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'm gonna see you in the next one.